I've had a lot of people reach out to me and ask for help when setting up ManyChat to System through Make. So I thought I'd show you the flow that I am using, and I have it available in my store so you can easily grab it and install it into your account. So basically what you want to have is the watch incoming data from ManyChat, and then you need to check that the email is valid. So you want to have a filter in there that actually checks if the email is valid, because otherwise it will have errors if someone doesn't enter the email in properly. Then you want to actually get the subscribers' information. So in this one, it's just pulling through their information. Then you want to use a data store. Now this is where you actually list out all of your freebies. So in the data store, you can see here, this is what it looks like. So the key is a name that you give it. So just a slug that describes your item, and each one must be unique. The ManyChat tag name is the tag that you're going to give it in ManyChat in your flow. And then you want to have the system ID as well for the tag that you want to match it up to in system. So basically, how this works is if we go to ManyChat, and you look in the actions here. So if we get their email address, so we are waiting on the email from the contact, then we add a tag to them once they fill that out. So this one says system, so that's one of the keywords that I have. So that's the tag that shows up in the data store. And then you want to make sure that you are connecting it to your make flow. So you make sure that you connect it here. Then in the system side, when you pull up a tag, so if you go to your CRM to tags and then you open up the tag that you want people to have applied to them, up in the URL up here, you can see a code here. So just numbers. That is the ID number that you need to put into your data store. So if we come back here, this would be the one that we just looked at. So systems, and then it would have this number in system. And so that then matches them up. So using the data store means that you don't have to duplicate this flow for every single freebie that you have that you want to offer. All you do is you update your data store each time, and the same automation runs constantly. So then once it goes through the data store and it works out exactly which tag it's going to be adding, then it goes and checks if this email address is in the system. If it is, then they just add it just adds a tag to them. If they're not in the system already, it will create a contact and add a tag to them. Now, if they don't have a valid email, it is going to just ignore the errors, but it's not going to add a tag. So that is the flow that I use. Now, there's a few things that I see people get stuck on, and that is having the ManyChat actually record the email address. So in this flow, the way that I do it is on the ManyChat side, when you have them recording their email address here, when you have this trigger happening just after it, what we're doing is we are actually recording the information that they have entered in. So it's going to say the last entered information. So I'll show you on that one. Just looking for where it shows it. So here, last input text. So it's the last bit of text that they enter in before this triggers. So that's why it comes straight after where they enter in their email address. Because what happens with the ManyChat side is it doesn't give you their email address automatically. That's why you have to ask for it. And even when it pulls the information through, it's not giving you their email address unless it's in a custom field. So what I have set up is I get the email address. So you can see contacts, reply, email. You just have to make sure that you have an email field set up as a custom field so that it's going to record that. So that is how I use it. So this whole flow is pretty seamless, and it means that you don't have to just duplicate this and then change out your freebie all the time. So you just use that data store. So every time that you add a new freebie, a new lead magnet into your ManyChat system, you just come straight over to this data store and you just hit add and you add in a new line. And that's how easy it is. And that way you don't have to just keep having automation after automation after automation in your account. So that is it. It is pretty simple. So I do have this automation available in my store. I also have included with it the ManyChat flow so that they go hand in hand together. So if you did want to grab that, I will add a link in the description as well. It does come with a step-by-step guide and also me walking you through it. So if you did need it and you need a copy of it, then you can grab that from my store. It's a template, so basically you just click the link and it will pop it straight into your account if you are signed in. So pretty straightforward. So I hope that this has been helpful if you are stuck on actually using an automation from ManyChat through to Systeme using Make. All right, have a great day.